Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fold the Ford Ecosport back seat. First, make sure the rear seat area is completely clear of any personal belongings or obstructions. Next, slide the front seats as far forward as possible to create enough space for the rear seats to fold down without interference. Then, find the release levers or straps, usually located at the front or side of the seat base, to begin the folding process. Once you've located the release mechanism, pull the lever or strap firmly to unlatch the seat base from its locked position. Carefully lift the entire seat base upwards, pivoting it until it rests vertically against the back of the front seats. Some models have a clip or strap to secure the base in this upright position, preventing it from falling back down during the next step. Now turn your attention to the seat backs. Look for the release buttons or straps, typically found on the top outer edge or side of each seat back. Press or pull these releases to disengage the locking mechanism. With the seat backs unlocked, gently push them forward and down. They should fold smoothly into the space where the seat base previously was, creating a flat loading area. After folding, double-check that both seat backs are fully flat and securely locked into their lowered position. This ensures a stable and even surface for your cargo. You've now significantly expanded your Ford Ecosport's cargo capacity, making it perfect for transporting larger items or luggage. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.